Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you guys are new, make sure to subscribe. Today we're making these delicious chicken egg vegetable sandwiches. So for that, we're gonna take some chicken fillet. This is a breast part, and I've just cut this chicken breast into sliced fillets, and then I'm gonna be seasoning it with black pepper and some salt. We're gonna do the same on the other side. You can season the chicken according to your liking, but I've used black pepper, some red pepper, and salt. We're gonna be taking a tomato. We're gonna cut it into thin slices. And then we're gonna take a cucumber and we're gonna slice it thinly as well. You can use avocado or salad leaves, whatever you like. I mean, it's totally your choice to choose the vegetables you want in your sandwich. And here we are going to cut some onions. So we are actually going to caramelize these. They're gonna give a really good texture to and taste to your sandwich. So here I added 1.5 tablespoons of butter, and after heating the pan, and I added the onions, a little bit of salt, and some black pepper according to your taste. So here I'm taking an egg. We're gonna whisk it a little. And the chicken that we marinated for like 10 to 5 minutes, we're gonna dip it into the beaten egg. And then you're gonna coat it with the breadcrumbs. Press on it so you are sure that the chicken fillet gets covered properly. These breadcrumbs, I actually made them at home with the leftover bread. You can just microwave it a little or bake it for a few minutes in the oven and it hardens. You can just grind it in a grinder or a chopper or even using a grater. So here we have all the fillets ready. We're gonna fry it in hot oil. I felt like the oil was too much and I could have fried it in a little bit of oil, so you can surely reduce the amount of oil when you fry the chicken. So you're gonna fry it from both sides until it's nice and golden. And then you can absorb the excessive oil, putting it on a strainer, and then you can pat dry it with the tissue. So here I've taken the burger sauce. You can use mayonnaise. You can, if you can get the sauce by mixing mayonnaise and ketchup. And then we're gonna add the sliced cucumbers, the tomato, the chicken fillet. You can change the sequence according to your liking. And then I put the fried egg, and on top of that, the caramelized onions and the cheese. On top of that, some red chili, it's a red chili paste or sauce because I wanted it to be a little bit spicy. And then I'm just gonna wrap it with this transparent film, so when I cut it, nothing falls off. You can toast the bread. I didn't because this bread was crumbling even before when I didn't toast it, so yeah. So here your sandwich is ready. This is how it's supposed to look like. I hope you enjoyed the recipe.